let's do a recap of conditional sentences in quiz form. Okay. Number 1, a conditional sentence is...
a two-part sentence.
It's a two-part sentence.
First part is the condition.
Uh-huh.
And the second part is the consequence.
Okay.
And so the condition sets the condition
Okay.
for the consequence to happen. So basically, in order for the second part to happen, the first part has to
Right,
happen.
and the second part depends on the first part, basically. Okay, good. The conditional words in Arabic, which you have memorized by now, are...
in,
which means
if,
and,
إذا,
which means
when or whenever,
when or whenever, and
لو,
which means
had.
right, had something happened. Good. Which conditional word or words cause baldness?
Only in.
Right, only in causes baldness, right? And that's why we studied it in the scenarios of bald. Okay.
And
And
it'll
then
make both the condition and the consequence.
it'll make, both bald, as long as they're present tense, because only present tense can become bald. And which do not cause baldness. This one is a tough one.
Easy one. So the ones that aren't in, so إذا and لو.
Yeah, the remaining ones, right? إذا and لو do not cause baldness. Okay. Which conditional word or words cause things to translate in the present or future?
In and إذا.
Good. In and إذا will cause things to translate in the present tense or future tense, even if they are past tense.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So regardless of the tense, it'll translate as present or future. And then which conditional word or words causes things to translate in the past tense?
لو.
That's لو.
Because you can't say had we do, you have to say had we done.
Good. Okay. When قد appears on the consequence always translates in
Past.
the past tense, right? In the past tense. Good. And then last question. What are some methods you can use to identify the start of a consequence?
Well, new sentence.
Right. The consequence will always be a new sentence. What else? There was something that had to do with لو.
Sometimes لو will have la.
Yeah, sometimes لو will be followed by a la, which is it's like a consequence marker.
Okay.
Right, so sometimes...
For لو only.
For لو only. Right, for لو only, it'll sometimes have la as a consequence marker. And then there's one more I'll throw in here. I don't think we've actually gone over it, but it's a good one to know. The letter fa, which means so or then, can also start a consequence.
Okay.
Which makes sense, right? If something means then, it's like a if-then statement. If something, then something.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so it would make sense that fa can sometimes start consequence.
Got it.
All clear on conditional sentences?
Mm-hmm.